Transform your online presence from ordinary to extraordinary by mastering the art of Squarespace website design. This tutorial unlocks creative approaches and best practices to build visually stunning and highly functional websites, all within the intuitive Squarespace platform. Step 1. Choose your foundation. The template. Explore various templates, not just for their initial look, but for their underlying structure and how they can be adapted to your unique brand. Think of them as your creative starting point, not your final destination. Step 2. Embrace visual hierarchy. Use compelling imagery and strategic typography to guide your visitors. Upload high-quality photos and videos that tell your story. Experiment with font pairings that reflect your brand's personality. Step 3. Master layout and spacing. Whitespace is your friend. It allows your content to breathe and makes your design feel polished and professional. Utilize Squarespace's grid system and spacer tools to create balanced and inviting layouts that are a joy to navigate. Step 4. Prioritize user experience. A beautiful website is only effective if it's easy to use. Ensure your navigation is intuitive, your calls to action are clear, and that your site is responsive across all devices. Think about the customer journey. Step 5. Leverage Squarespace's built-in features, from stunning galleries and integrated e-commerce to custom forms and engaging animations. Squarespace provides the tools to elevate your design. Don't be afraid to experiment and push the boundaries. Unlock your design potential and build a powerful online presence that truly represents you. Start creating your dream website with Squarespace today.